At the heart of the country is a machine tool company renowned for its innovation, unrivaled technical excellence, and industry-leading customer service. Being independently owned, and with its focus entirely on improving the productivity, performance, and profitability of manufacturers in the UK and Ireland, the company is able to move quickly and decisively, identifying and meeting customers' changing needs and requirements, and is renowned for being proactive and for thinking outside the box. The company is called Mills CNC. Precision component manufacturers operating in the aerospace, medical, defense, oil and gas, nuclear, renewable energy, automotive, and motorsport sectors are well aware of the range of advanced machine tool technologies available from us, the exclusive distributor of Doosan machine tools in the UK and Ireland. Chances are that they have already invested in at least one of our machine tools in recent years, and, as such, can vouch for their accuracy, speed, power, and flexibility. With over 400 new Doosan machines being sold to component manufacturers year on year, and with an installed customer base in excess of 5,000 machines, we are a recognized and respected market leader in the machine tool sector. But what is it that makes us so successful? And why is it that, every year, more and more manufacturers choose to invest in our technologies? If you ask component manufacturers what differentiates us from other machine tool suppliers in the market, they'll no doubt mention the depth and breadth of our Doosan machine tool range, a range that is improved every year through the introduction of new models. And that includes high-performance, competitively priced, multitasking lathes and mill-turn machines, and advanced 5-axis machining centres, many of which are held in stock at our campus facility in Leamington, ready for immediate delivery anywhere in the UK and Ireland. They'll also alert you to our range of after-sales and support services, which, from a continuous improvement perspective, are systematically monitored and reviewed to ensure they are the best they can possibly be, and are always rated highly by our customers. These services include our popular training courses delivered by the CNC Training Academy, our expert applications and help desk support, and our sophisticated machine tool servicing and wear and replacement parts operations. And, certainly over the next few months and years, they'll be extolling the virtues of our range of automation systems and solutions, now available from Mills CNC Automation, our recently created automation division. These systems, that include our technologically advanced and easy-to-use Synergy automated manufacturing cells, and our highly versatile Doosan Cobot solutions, are all designed to help customers improve their productivity and process efficiencies, making them leaner and more competitive. World-class Doosan machine tools, best-in-class industrial and collaborative robot systems, first-class after-sales service and support. Together, they create an unrivaled offering that is not only unique in the industry, but that also underscores our highly effective and accurate brand appeal. Mills CNC, like no one else.